welcome to another Kit Up and Chat. So I'm kitting up Lovebirds by Art by Julia. It has 57 colours, it's square, and the canvas is 60 centimetres by 80.9. So at this current point in time, you have not seen my unboxing for it. By Friday, the unboxing I filmed on Monday, because I got my last kit from Black Friday, my last 2 kits from Black Friday on Monday. Filmed that video, I haven't posted it. That video will go up tomorrow, otherwise I don't have a video to post tomorrow. And my goal for 2026 is to post on YouTube every day. Yeah, the filming for that has not been going good, but yeah, so the first colour is 318. So I've organised up to colour 32. So I know I haven't done a whip and chat for a couple of weeks, and I'm very sorry about that, guys. Whip and chat will be back next Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. Like, would you believe me if I said I ran out this morning to get more containers so I could kit this kit? Like, would you have believed me if I said that? Because that's what I did today. I ran out early. I also need to get yogurt. But I've run out of yogurt, and I wanted my yogurt, but the shop I went to didn't have it, and I didn't want to go to the other shop, which I had already been to, which was across the road. Well, I hadn't been there, I just like walked past it. The next colour is 321. Yeah, so my Christmas is quiet. It is now raining cats and dogs, as you can hear. Like, I'm so glad I went out this morning, this afternoon, like that was my goal. Because I was like, yeah, I'm gonna go out this morning instead of this afternoon. Then, I don't know what my mother sent me on Instagram, because I'm like some reviews and stuff of like things I like. So, oh yeah, I've got my Dotty mug here full of hair ties, so I can. I've also got a bag, a plastic bag full of the extra I need. Okay, we're doing number 3. Number 3 is 336. Like, so like, well, this week, right, I've just been working on makeup routine by Mrs. Butterdy, and I realise I thrive with colour blocking. Like, colour blocking is my jam, people, so I think I'll enjoy this kit, because I feel like this is a high colour blocking kit. Because there's not too many colours. Look at, like, the size of it's enormous. It's only 57 colours. So I think I'll have a ball with this kit. Oh yeah, so I'm getting this up for the Art by Julia event, and I've got, I mentioned this in my unboxing video, but I got this kit through the Australian diamondartclub Facebook group, and Kim sold it to me, so I'm just like, yeah. So getting it through Kim would have been cheaper for me, so. Yeah, so this video will be going up on Friday, and then I don't know what's going up on Thursday. I need to film tomorrow. The next colour is 350, which is number 4. So yeah, I just have no like drama or anything in relation to like work and stuff, because I only worked last Thursday, and leading up to Christmas I wasn't really on checkout because people who did the job I was doing had been away, so they put me on that job, which I was fine with. Didn't really deal with any comments in those weeks, which I was happy about. Okay, next colour is number 5, and that's C51. Oh yeah, I'm so sorry if you can hear the rain in the background. It's raining cats and dogs right now, and my room has a skylight, and in my room you can hear it. So my cat is also currently sleeping on my bed. She has been for hours. But I put it there, and she's like, okay, I'm not moving. Like, I kid you not, like when it rains a lot, she gets really mixed up at certain time. I get like, I don't know, 5:30 she'll come in, and I'm just like, oh, you just not for like 2 hours. Like on said day, I kid you not, I got home around 3 o'clock or like 3:15. So my dad picked me up from work, right? Because, you know, buses on said day are a nightmare. So parents and I have a deal of I get myself to work on Saturday, but my dad, but someone picks me up. It's easier to get there than get home on Saturday. Anyway, so I came home on Saturday afternoon. But the minute I got home, she was like waiting for food. So my brother's just like, oh, can they get a ham? So I checked with my mum, cats can't have ham. So we just gave, and he's like, what do you feed her normally? I said, oh, I feed her beef, I feed her chicken, and I feed her duck. So he fed her a little bit of chicken, meat that we had in the fridge. Okay, number 6 is 352. So yeah, I am so excited to do this kit. I don't know whether to start today. Like, I don't know why I put this kit in relation to my diamond darts, because I now have a tube full of diamond darts. It's like a toy storage thing that I got from Kmart. But yeah. My drills just like falling out of like yeah, like good equipment. That was number 6. Number 7 is, this is my last 3, this is 356. Like, I haven't checked like what's the biggest bag there is, but I think it's, I don't know. Let me just pretend. Can this one fit in the container? Oh yeah, I'm gonna make it, guys, I'm gonna make it. So staticky today. So staticky and inconvenient. Look at you guys. Oh, tell me in the comments if you're participating in the Art by Julia event, which is run by Michaela and a couple other people. I forget what their names are at the top of my head. But I'm so excited to participate in this event. Like, and I did, in case you're wondering, I did get the Art by Julia that was released on Black Friday. Did not get the Margolis Silly. Still hunting for that one. So number 8 is 402. Oh, there's another person. Good, I've got all the 7s in there. Oh, oops, you leave it there. So, yeah. Yeah, I've been diamond darting and I've also finished a book. But I'm like also trying to, I need to finish a book today too. Because today, as I'm filming, is the last day of the year. It is the 31st of December. And that's a scary thought. I turned 30 in less than 2 months. It scares me. It scares the bejesus out of me, guys. Like, I don't know why. It just does. I mean, when you come out of your mother's womb at like 27 weeks, and I think there's a few other things that like cause me to almost die. Yeah, that's the reason why I'm scared about turning 30. So number 9 is 436. But also, I think I thought my life would be different by the time I turned 30. Like, different in me not being in retail. Different. This is so staticky. Why are you... And no, I do not have a dry sheet. I don't think it exists in a jar. Or I don't think... Okay, 436 fitted. 437 will not fit, so that is number 10. Number 10 is 437, as I mentioned. And she's a chunky one, so I need to probably get another thing out of my thing. Need to get another thing out of my dotty mug, so... Okay, there you go. I'll just put that much in each time. Now the hair tie out of my dotty mug. Also, tell me in the comments what one if you're participating, just what he said, and what painting you're doing for the art that you'll leave it. Like, if they restock Dark Bath during that time, oh, it's gonna be mental. And I have told people, hey guys, like on the Facebook, on the Australian Facebook groups, guys, Dark Bath is my only, like, art Australia is my holy grails. And also Marigold City. So, because I got Christmas Switch by Marigold City, which I think I've mentioned. That's number 10. Number 11 is 451, yep. And she is a small one. Like, there are some small ones, but like there's some like big ones as well. Ow! I just cut myself with the scissors, guys. They're embroidery scissors, but you know. No damage. To my finger. What have I done? Oh, right, no, there's a little bit of damage to my finger. No bleeding. Okay, well, I'm okay. Okay, so that's number 11. Number 12 is 471. She's a small one as well. Oh, this has only taken me like 15 minutes to do, or 16 minutes to do 12 colours, which is a really good time. Come on. Oh, I feel my short. Okay. Number 13, we're into the 600s, which is 467. Oh, where did I think there they are over there? Yeah, 467 is done. I mean, 647. So 676 is next. Which is number 14. I feel like I'm getting faster at King Up for some reason. Maybe it's like not as, like, I have smallish bags today that like... Okay, so 6, what's next? 699 is number 15. Yep, that's it. So number 16 is 712. I think it's big. Yeah, she's big. Yeah, they're big. Okay, we're getting into the big bags right here. Yeah, we're good. Okay. Maybe I can fill him up. Okay, yes, I did fill him up. So 17 is 738. Okay. Okay, next to that one is done. 739 is 18. God, I feel like I should like talk to you more about like what's been happening in my life, but like there's been nothing. But something that did happen on Saturday that I wasn't even expecting is that, sorry, my best friend lives in Cairns. She come down, like, she used to live here. We used to go to school together at primary school. She's been my best friend since I was about 6. Like, we bonded over heart scars. Because you don't know, I have a heart scar. Because I had heart surgery when I was a baby. Anyway, so I saw her in May because she had a baby. She had her baby in June. And so she was down for Christmas. And we were planning to see each other. We were planning to see each other on Boxing Day, because I asked if she was in town, because I hadn't asked her, because what she said to me indicated that like she was in town. So I'm just like, oh. So the rain up north has gone like really bad. Like the place we stayed for Christmas, like back in 2021, which is called Beach, that place is flooded, like absolutely destroyed. So she's like, oh, I have to get home. We have to get home before it gets worse, because otherwise, because my husband won't be able to get to work. Like, we can't start it because my husband has work. I was like, yeah, that's fine. So she literally came to my work to see me before she left. And I was not expecting this at all. And I'm just like, oh my God. Like, I was so, like, at first, like, I didn't know this until later. My co-worker told me. So number 19 is 743. So she went to the service desk to look for me because she didn't know where I would be. Because she knows I work still, but she didn't know where I would be. And I actually saw her husband. I was like, wait a second, is that the husband? And then I saw her, and I got so excited, and I'm just like, manager, I'm gonna go out best bed, because I hadn't seen her since May, and she's coming down again in February, so I'll see her then. Because we both have busy lives. Yes, so the 744, number 20. So that was like the pick-me-up I really needed. Like I needed that. I needed that pick-me-up. So yeah, I really did need that pick-me-up. Anyway, so 21 is 746. I'm doing pretty. Oh, this is a big one. Okay. Yeah, so that happened on Saturday. And I was like so happy to see her, because I hadn't seen her. Like, we can go like years without seeing each other. Yeah, that's enough. Okay, enough. Yeah, we always just try and see each other when we can. But yeah, so I'll see her again for a week, which is like a lot, like, yeah. Oh yeah, and like, also, this man on Saturday kind of got for like not knowing what was on sale. Me, who works on checkout and has no idea that what's on sale or not, because I don't control that kind of stuff. Like, this is after he paid for everything. So my co-worker got a manager time. So yeah, that was a fun time. Oh, also, like, cause it wasn't too busy, but so like I was putting away returns, and I had this horrible, and so I did not hit a person. I grazed their bag as I was coming out of the checkout area, and I said, oh, sorry. And like, she kind of gave me this dirty look for like hitting her mother's bag. I was like, sorry. Like, this trolley was horrible that my knee big sore. So that was 22, and that was 779, so we're up to the 8. I think the first one is 815, right? 815 is, like, is it just gonna take me like half an hour to do like 24 things? I think so. Oh yeah, so for my reading, I've read a couple things this week, but like, I don't know, I think I've been a tiny bit of reading, which is not great, but like tomorrow I feel better. Like, I think every year my brain just resets. So 24 is next, which is 823. So yeah, so my brain will reset tomorrow. I will try and read a shit ton of books this weekend. But who knows what I will do. Because I finished the library book. I still have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 library books left. And I think they're due on the 9th of January. which I can do it. What I will do is I'll finish this book here, which I am only like 88 pages in, and then I'll read my library book, and then we'll go through that thing. Next one is a 324, which is number 25. So let's switch out the first one. Switching out. Oh yeah, if you don't know, guys, you're on books like that. You're on two of my books. Okay. Got one, number 25. And it's a 2. Let me. There we go. Done. So, tell me in the comments how your election has been. Mine was quiet as always. We played Canasta on Sunday, and then we played a game of pre-bingo because my mum got one of my nieces with a game called pre-bingo, and it is so fun. It's like, basically it's animals poop, and you have to get bingos to get, But our game of Canasta took so long. So, So 26 is April 1. Oh, the rain is back. Lovely. I forgot the rain had stopped for a bit. I can hear it. Maybe it was still there, but like, I didn't hear it. So I'm so sorry if you hate the sound of the rain. I am so sorry. I just needed to film this video. I think also afterwards, after I do this video, I'm going to build some fakey Lego. Because Kmart also has like these fake Lego like Sanrio characters like Hello Kitty, which I built, Kawaii, which I had to get from AliExpress because I didn't have Kawaii, which I got today. I got cinnamon bun, cinnamon roll, my melody, and a few others, and a couple others because it's like a 6. So 27 is April 2. Good bit out. I just have magnesium because my bones are feeling not having magnesium. Anyway, 28 is 900. Yeah, I got like a little nick on my finger about in relation to me cutting my finger with scissors. Look, that isn't the worst injury I've done on my hands. If you don't know, in 2018, I was in Brisbane to go see Taylor Swift with my mum. My mum didn't come with me. She's never come to a Taylor Swift concert, but she was with me. We were staying at my sister's, and because at the time my sister lived in Brisbane, and I was drying up a bit and knew I could kitchen knife, cut my finger, and then we had to wait for stitches because my brother-in-law would have done it because he was ripped up, but he forgot his stitcher kit. He didn't have his stitcher kit on him. Okay, 29 is 945, and she's a big one. So yeah, and that week before, I broke my toe, or bruised it very badly. No, I think I broke it. So that was fun time. I'm a very injury type person. Because I get bruises on my body and it's like, oh, okay. Like, there's no recollection of where they came from. Like, sometimes I do have a recollection of where they came from. But most of the time I don't. So. Oh, 945 is full, guys. Come on, oh god, they're just swapping left, right, isn't it? 29's full. Did not expect that. Next one is 951, which is number 30. Oh, she's a small one. Nice. I'm excited. Like, I'm so excited to do this kit. You guys have no idea. I think I might actually start it today after I do my fakey Lego. But I must say about the fakey Lego, it's harder than real Lego. Oh yeah, I will post a video on that maybe that could be my Friday video. Because I do, you know what I need to, mine, just film a couple reaction videos. Like I need to film a couple of reactions. So 30 is done. So 31 is 977. Yeah, so we're getting there, guys, and we're only like less than 40 minutes in. I am so happy with this. I feel like I'm getting faster with get-ups. Maybe because I organised beforehand now, but I've like semi-organised today. So 31 is done. The 32 is 987. Oh, she's a small one too. Perfect. Okay, now we have to organise this. Okay, so I'm looking for 322. She's moving. But these can go. Oh, she's the last one. These seven. Oh, here we go. These 7. Sorry, guys, I'm just organising another thing. Oh wait, there's a 322. That is what I'm looking for. Another Z. There is a couple of Z's, okay. Then AB, another AB. Oh, what's this one? Oh, Z. No, not that one. Wait, I'm close. Here we go. Z. A Z for 9? No. I'm going to go Z for Z346, which is. No. Oh, here we go. Oh, she's a one. Okay. Z, and then I'll put my 2 ABs down here. Oh, I'm going to look better again on my thing. Okay. Yep. And then, oh, there's another AB. Where's my AB? Oh, wait, here they are. Oh. Yep, AB. Okay, good. And then, it's over 6 before. 6601. Yes. 3 8. Oh, 322, yes. I mean, 323, and then 3864. Yes, 3864. Yes, 3864, and then 381. Yes, 3854. Yep. Got them. Yep, and then 3830. Yes. Then 3827. No, 377. Oh, no, I'm missing some. I've got 3830 and then 3827. Oh yeah, 3827, yup, then 3818. Oh no. Ah, here we go, 3818. Yup, and then 3782. 3782. Oh, what? I'm missing. Where am I? Oh, it'll be. Missed the colour, guys. I missed the colour. This is just a mess. 3787. You and 356. Yeah, 375. Yeah, she's a biggie. 3746. Yep, 3345. Yep, 3325. Yep, and then these two. Yes, go. Now, let's see if this will take me half an hour. So we're up to 33. The majority of these colours are very small, so that's why I said half an hour. Three, 3023 is number 34. Number 35 is the 3325, which is a big one. Okay. Okay, getting a pie tie out of Duty Cup. But it's on 43, it's time. Okay. The 36 is all good. Okay, what is 36? Here's 3345. And then it is a small one. Yay, I love my small ones because they just fit right into the container. kidding me? Like, a drill just jumped out of the container. Like, what the hell? Oh well. The 37 is 3746. And it's a small one. It's a very small one. Yay. Yeah, got it. The 38 is 3755. And it's a biggie. It's a biggie. I don't really like it, but you know. Okay, let's do this. Okay, we're good. Get the thing out of the dirty cup. There you go. 38 is done. Next one is 3756, which is 39. And that one is a small one. Which is maybe trash. 3756. Like, come to like, in relation to like how big this kit is, I'm not having like much like spare bags. Okay, 39 is done. Let's do 40, which is 3776. Oh, she might fit in 40, sorry. Actually, 40, 39. No, she might. There we go, done. The 41, that is 3782. Yeah, 42 is 43 is 3818. Yep, she's another small one. Like, you can tell that I'm loving the small one. So 43 is 3827. Oh, you know what? Should I try and like, no, I'll do a separate goals video in relation to my puzzles and my Legos. Yeah. And like YouTube and stuff. Yeah, I'll do a separate video. Oh, that could be so days. Okay. So 44 is 3830. She's a big one. Wait, no, she's not. Yay. She'll fit in. Okay, there we go. How many stupid? I thought that was a much bigger colour. Anyway, the 45 is 3853. She's very small. The 46 is 3854. Oh, she's a small one as well. Yay. So 47 is 3861. Now I still have a couple big ones to go. And I'm just getting through my small ones right now. The 3861 is small one. So that's 47 done. The 48 is 3864. Yep. Is a small one. Yay, done. Get that done. And now we have to go on to the next one. We have like 8 more colours to do. And I think I can finish it in about 20 minutes. Okay, last one. So the next one is 6001, I believe. Yes, 6001, that's 49. Oh, you know what? I haven't even mentioned it. If you're enjoying this video, please like, subscribe, share, do all the things to help me out. I will be very pleased. Okay. Done. 49 is done. Okay, 21 is next, which is 50. We've got about 7 colours. And then we're done. Good. So the next one is, oh, we're up to ABs. Up to specials now. So we can put this little one probably. Yes. Next one is AB 741. Oh, she's a small. She's a small. Oh, look, the rain's back. Been like really quiet and like at times it's just like, because like I felt like, oh, I don't really want to film this video today because of the rain. I'm just like, no, Lucy, just get over it, wear your loops. I'm wearing my loops, I'm fine. 51 is done. The 52 is AB 972. She's also a small one. I am loving all these small ones. All done. So 53 is Z, what is it? Oh no, it's Z49. Z433. What? Oh, Z4, Z4. Brain got confused for a second. The 50, yeah, okay. Also one. So 54 is Z3341. I'm also hungry and so I think I'm gonna have another diamondartclub. Because I basically had a diamondartclub when I went out. I bought a 4-pack. So that's 54, that was Z3341. And 55 I think is my last big one. Z4, there's a couple girls left in Z41. There we go. Even though I know diamondartclub gives you extra, I just want to get all. And 55, I think is my last big one. Let's see. No. The next 3 are big. Okay, we're good. Now let's grab a thing out of the door. Now I think after this, I kind of feel like starting on Lovebirds. That's 55, so I got 2 more colours to do, and this has taken me less than, oh no. Like this get up will take me less, like just over an hour, so you'll see about maybe half an hour of it, depending on how much we cut, delete of it. That'll be probably a lot of rain sounds, I'm very sorry about that. Oh, next one is C3753, which is 56. Oh, I thought this was big, it's not. Ah, I'm so excited. I'm so excited to get this up. Yeah, so from next Wednesday, the ribbon chat will return. I just need to put this up. So it'll either be every Wednesday, it'll either be a kitten chat, a kit up, or a ribbon chat. Most likely a ribbon chat. Okay, last colour is Z3865. I'll be surprised at all. Okay. Last colour. Come on. It's the mess, everyone, it's a mess. It's just like you everywhere. Oh, that's not what I want. Mess everywhere. Anyway, there's so a few other little whatever. Okay, oh god, okay. Guys, this ribbon chat took me 1 hour and 3 minutes actually. I took just over an hour to get up 57 colours, and I just didn't want to do this video today. Like, oh my god, like, my first ribbon chat took like me over like 2 hours. Like, I'm getting so much faster. And I just threw it out my friend. But, so the end to the end, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.